Hello, in this video I'm gonna show the productivity tricks on the Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, so let's begin. So we can start with this sidebar right here. To get access to it, you just need to swipe gently from the edge of the phone in here, in this area, and now you get access to this sidebar. So basically in here you have the apps and quick access to them. If you click in here, you just get this floating window. In here you have the settings. You can switch between the apps, people, tasks. You can get the weather, tools, the clipboard, or the reminder on this bar. So I'm gonna change for weather now. And I don't know why it didn't work. Oh, okay, you can add many options to it. And now as you can see, we have the weather options. We have the weather in Warsaw right now. As you can see, it's 15 degrees. Also, we have the date, the hour, the humidity, and the UV index. Okay, so, but for now, let's switch again to the apps. Okay, and in here when you click this pencil icon, okay, you can edit the apps inside of the bar. So let's say I'll get rid of the Gmail, and instead of that I want the Facebook. So let's see for now. Yeah, it has switched, so cool. So basically this bar gives you quick access to all your most interested apps. You can pick anything you want basically in here, and it's really convenient, and you don't need to look for them in the phone, waste time. You just enter this bar. You want Facebook, you click on it instead of looking at it over your phone. Okay, so now we can go into the settings and type gestures, motion and gestures. Simply click on it here. We have the Bixby, which I'm gonna show you later. Also, we have the one-handed mode. So as you know, one-handed mode provides more comfort when you're using it by only one hand, and you can reduce display size with gesture or the button. So when you tap twice, currently I'm in the one-handed mode. As you can see, everything works. And if you want to exit this mode, you just simply click on this gray area outside of this small window in here. Okay, so now we can go into the side button and let's start with double press. So if you enable it, and when you double tap the power button, you can pick between those options what will happen. So you can open camera like that, quick launch Samsung Wallet, enter the flashlight, magnifier, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, Samsung Capture modes and routines, and also the apps. So currently it's on the open camera option, so let's see how this works. I'll double tap, and as you can see now I'm in the camera, so yeah, it works. So let's check other options. Let it be the flashlight. So I'll double tap, and now as you can see, the flashlight is on. And if you want to exit this, to turn off, you simply also double tap. Okay, so it's also cool option. You don't need to swipe your up bar and look for flashlight in here. You just can double tap and get access to the flashlight. Okay, so back into the options. Also, we have the long press. You can pick between the power off or the Bixby, but let's stick with the Bixby. I'll show it you just in a second. Okay, next thing is the multi-window. In here you can enable options such as swipe for split screen, swipe for pop-up view, and full screen in split screen view. You can enable it right in here. It provides hide the status and navigation bar so you can see more of each app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or down from the top to show the hidden bars. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to enter the split screen mode. So you can do it by getting into the recent apps. But first I'll enter notes, and now I will enter the, let it be the calculator. Okay, so if you want to get into multi-window, oh, it's not what I want. You just go into the recent apps, you hold on one of the apps, and you simply drop it on the top or on the bottom or on the top. So I want, for example, notes on the top, and now you can see the screen gets split in half. You can also adjust the size of the apps by performing this move, by grabbing this bar in the middle. So let's say I want notes a little bigger than the calculator, and as you can see, it works pretty nice. So let's say I want to have notes and count something each time, and it's convenient because I don't need to switch between those apps, maximize the screen or minimize it. I can just open both of them at the same time, and if I want to type something, I just get into the calculator, and if I want to count something, I'm just doing it on the other side of the screen. So that's really convenient option in my opinion. It's good to use. Okay, let's go back into the settings. No, not the settings. Now I'm gonna show you the AI, the Bixby. So when I was talking about the sidebar settings, side button settings, sorry. And now on the long press we have the Bixby. So let's hold it, and basically that's the AI. You can ask it to do some tasks, and also you can ask questions for him. So let's ask him actually, what's the weather in Dubai right now? Because we want to go on a vacation and we don't want to Google it, or we just want to save time and do it as fast as we can. So let's enter the Bixby. And now we want to ask him the question. You can use the voice commands or type on your keyboard. So I'm gonna ask by using voice. What's the weather in Dubai right now? Okay, we need to click on agree. Also turn on location. And now we have our answer. As you can see, in Dubai, currently it's 22 degrees. So it's cool. Also, let's say we want to cook something for dinner tonight and we don't know what to do, or basically we know what we want but we don't know the recipe. Also, we can ask AI to search for it in the internet. So let's say we want to eat a pizza and we want a recipe for it. So let's ask for pizza recipe. Give me a recipe for pizza, please. Okay, now this More Things app has been launched. Now simply click on continue, click on more, again continue. In here you can skip or watch it for yourself. Click while using the app, click on allow, allow. And now basically you need to download food and then you will have your recipe. But let's don't do it right now. Also, we can use the AI to set reminders for us. There's an app called Reminders, but it's not in here yet. So let's tell AI to set a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow. Let it be. Set me a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow. Okay, As you can see now, we have to give reminder the permission. We can use again keyboard or the voice command. I'm giving reminder the permission. Remind me to do the laundry tomorrow. Oh, it didn't work. So let's tell him to open the reminder app. Open the reminder app. Okay. Now it worked. Now simply click on continue. Now we have our reminder app. Also, you can set up the reminder manually. In here, type the title. In here, time. And in here, place. Okay. You also have the categories. Now you have my reminders, but if you want, you can add additional categories in here. Okay, so now we have the reminder has the permission. So again, let's use AI to set the reminder for us. Set me a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow. Okay, and now you can see that it's saved. Do the laundry tomorrow, save to my reminders. So that's good to hear. Okay, also I'm gonna show you the last option, which is called the floating windows. It's a little bit different than the split screen mode. So again, let's enter the notes. It doesn't need to be notes, I'm just giving you an example. And now again into the recent apps. Now let's hold on the notes. Now release on the middle of the screen. And now we have the floating window. In here you can adjust the size of it and also the place on the screen. So basically now I can do all the other stuff on the phone and I have quick access to the notes. I just simply click on it and again I can type something and make notes. And if you want to get rid of this, just simply hold it and drag down into the close bar. Now release your finger and it has been closed. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.